The FMGE exam is just around the corner, and if you're feeling a bit anxious, overwhelmed, or lost in your revision, this video will guide you step by step through a smart daily routine, followed by FMGE toppers and experts. From 7 am to 11 pm, every hour has been planned for maximum retention and minimum burnout. Let's dive in. You have done the hard part, months of studying, countless MCQs and notes, but now it's the most crucial phase, the final 18 days. This is where toppers make their move. Why? Because last minute revision is not about how much you study, it's about how smartly you do it. This daily routine focuses on three pillars: high revision, MCQ mastery, and mental peace. Let's start with the morning. Your day starts at 7 am. Wake up, hydrate, and stretch a little. No social media. Your brain deserves peace in the morning. By 7:30, dive straight into the major clinical subjects like medicine, surgery, or PSM, whichever is your strong or medium area. This is your brain's peak energy time. Spend 2 hours revising notes and solving topic-wise MCQs. At 9:30, take a break for healthy breakfast and give your brain a short pause. You have already completed one major session before most people even start. At 10 am, it's time to tackle your weak spots. Pick a subject you struggle with. Maybe it's anatomy, biochemistry, or pharmacology. Focus on visuals, charts, or tricky mechanisms. Revise with your notes or last-minute revision PDFs along the way. Solve around 30 to 40 MCQs and mark the ones you get wrong. This is where your real growth happens, turning weaknesses into strength. Finish the session by 1 pm feeling more confident than ever. Now pause. It's lunchtime. Keep it light but nutritious. After eating, don't jump back to books. Instead, take a 15 to 20 minutes power nap. Why? Because it boosts your memory consolidation and recharges you for the second half of the day. This break is not waste of time, it's a performance hack. At 2 pm, begin the MCQ marathon. Choose around 100 questions from 3 to 4 different subjects. Use trusted resources like Marrow, FMGE solutions, or previous year papers. Solve them like it's a real exam, 1 minute per question. After finishing, analyze your mistakes carefully. This is where 80% of your learning happens. This session makes sure you're not just revising, you're preparing to apply knowledge under time pressure. After a short tea break from 4 to 4:30, return at 4:30 for what I call short subject sprint. These are the high yield scoring areas: dermatology, radiology, psychiatry, anesthesia, forensic. Aim to finish 1-2 of these in each session using revision notes or quick video maps. These are easy marks on exam day, and this is the perfect time to lock them in. Evening sessions are all about deep focus. From 7 to 9 pm, you have two choices. Either take a full-length subject test or revise the one you gave earlier. Don't skip this. It builds stamina for the real exam. From 9 to 10 pm is your golden hour. Re-revise everything you studied in the morning. This repetition, especially at night, helps you seal the knowledge into your long-term memory. End this hour by updating your error notebook. It will be your savior in the last 2 days before exam. At 10 pm, it's time to wind down. Don't scroll Instagram or YouTube shorts. Your brain needs calm to retain. Write down 3 things you revised well today. Set your goals for tomorrow, and maybe listen to some calming instrumental music or do a short meditation. Sleep by 10:30 or 11. Trust me, good sleep is the best revision tool and you're not using it enough. So let's recap. From July 8 to 15, do subject-wise revisions and heavy MCQ practice. From July 16 to 20, start mixing topics and take subject tests. Focus on short subjects. From July 21 to 24, take full-length grand test and revise your error notebook deeply. July 25, light review only, don't stress yourself. And July 26, that's your day. You walk in calm, confident, and fully ready. This is your schedule, not just a routine. It's a mindset. Discipline over motivation, planning over panic, and consistency over cramming. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow FMG warrior, and drop a brain in the comments if you're ready to own this routine like a topper.